Growing your business online is not about luck. It's a skill that can be learned. And today I'm going to walk you through the only course that you'll ever need to scale your law firm online. So if you want to grow your law firm online, but you're not sure what to do or how to get started, then you're in the right place. I'm Eddie Signego, and I was an attorney for 8 years before I became a full-time SEO. I've been doing digital marketing for law firms as my full-time job since 2019, and I created a course where I teach you everything that I learned during that time, all the tricks and techniques that I use to help top-tier law firms grow their business online. So, first things first, why SEO? Why am I such a big believer in SEO when there are so many other marketing channels out there? For one, SEO is a long-term asset. When you buy SEO, you have an asset that will keep generating business for you for long after you purchase it. Contrast that to pay-per-click ads or other types of advertisements, which are ongoing costs. Once the ad's over, you don't have anything to show for it, and you have to keep pumping more money into ads. Two, SEO avoids high cost per click for search terms. Cost per click for legal search terms is the highest of any industry. So if you can write SEO that ranks organically for those terms, you're saving yourself a fortune in ad costs. Three, SEO attracts readers, whereas ads distract them. With SEO, you're providing useful information that people were already looking for. So you're helping them out by answering questions about their case, and the better you answer their questions, the more likely they are to hire you. Four, SEO attracts better quality leads. With an organic lead from SEO, the lead has either read your content, seen your website, seen a video of you, or some combination of those things. They have a reason to know, like, and trust you before they reach out, as opposed to leads that come in through ads, where a lot of times the person has done little or no research and may just have clicked on the first ad they saw. They have no real connection to you, which makes it a harder conversion. Five, SEO is more trustworthy than paid ads. Many people, myself included, skip right over the ads and search results and go directly to the organic results. Organic content ranks high because it's useful, not because someone paid to be there, which means that organic content is more trustworthy. Six, SEO builds your brand beyond the limitations of paid ads. SEO allows you to demonstrate your expertise on the subject matter and establish yourself as a leader in the field. So SEO is not only generating clients, but also building your reputation at the same time. So these are just a few of the benefits of SEO, and there's others as well. For example, SEO allows you to stay up to date with the latest issues in your practice area. It also allows you to target specific types of cases and clients by publishing SEO about specific issues. SEO also provides verifiable results. There are free tools you can use to track your SEO data and see what's working and what's not. And we talk about that in detail in the course. So now that you know why I'm such a big believer in SEO, let's dive into the course itself and take a look at what's inside. So here we are inside the course dashboard. You can see that it's got a nice, clean, clear layout. And the course content is going to be found right here. It's divided up into 6 parts. 8 parts if you include the introduction and also the file downloads here. And now we're going to go through each of these sections one by one. So the first section is the introduction, which tells you what to expect from the course and lays out my SEO philosophies. The next section is part 1 of the course, which is the website blueprint. This section covers all the details about how to optimize your website for SEO. We go through each web page one by one in detail. We talk about your home page, your About Us page, your practice area pages, blog page, FAQ, your testimonials. We talk in detail about where to put your testimonials and how to optimize them for SEO. We talk about your newsletter sign-up form and how to capture emails. We talk about speed and mobile functionality, all the things that you need to know to optimize your website design for SEO. We leave no stone unturned. Next up is part 2, where we go over creating your digital profiles. Here we're talking about off-page SEO. We're going to talk about social media profiles, attorney directory profiles, business directory profiles. All of these profiles matter a lot for your SEO. We're going to talk about why they matter and how to optimize them for SEO. In part 3, we cover SEO strategy. We're going to talk about SEO rankings, content strategy, link building, technical SEO, and security. So SEO is not just about writing stuff and posting it on the internet. There's a lot more to it than that. And in this section, we're going to cover all the details. In part 4, we get into the nuts and bolts of actually writing great SEO. How to do keyword research, how to format the document correctly, how to optimize it for readability and style, how to do your internal and external links, how to do the images. This is called on-page SEO, and we cover all of that in detail. Part 5 is data tracking and analysis. We're going to talk about which tools you should use to track your data, which data you should be tracking, and how to interpret the data. This is a very important section, and it's not something that you should overlook with your SEO. Part 6 covers your email newsletter. So why are we talking about email newsletters in an SEO course? And the reason is because your email newsletter is an essential part of your digital marketing ecosystem. It works hand in hand with your SEO, and in this section we're going to talk about and how to do it properly. So we cover the details about how to set it up, how often to send it, how to get subscribers. We give you a bunch of ideas for content, and we also cover readability and style. So this section has all the details you need to have an effective email newsletter. Last but certainly not least are the documents. And to get the documents, you're just going to go right here to the Download Files tab. You're going to scroll down, click right here, download the files, and all of the files are going to come up right here in a Google Drive. And you get 7 documents, which include all of the slides, a video transcript for all the videos, and an ebook which contains all the information from the slides in an ebook format, which is easy to read, easy to search, and is a great reference tool. It's got a table of contents, and it's very easy to search and find exactly what you're looking for using the Control F function. I actually created the ebook for myself and decided to include it in the course because I use it so much and it's such a useful reference tool. So in addition to that, we've also included 4 bonuses. You get a content checklist, which you can use to quickly check and make sure that your content is optimized for SEO. You get a website checklist, which you can use to make sure that your website has all the features that it should have to be optimized for SEO. You get a storytelling mini course, which gives you a ton of ideas that you can use for writing SEO and social media content. And we've also included an offline lead generation playbook, which gives you proven tips of things you can do offline to start getting more clients. My goal for you by the time you complete this course is that you will have developed your website and your digital marketing ecosystem into a 24/7 lead generation machine that generates business for you while you sleep. Your SEO does not sleep, it does not take breaks, it does not take days off. So if you do it right, it can be a tremendous asset for your business and make you a lot of money, which at the end of the day, that's what this is about, generating profit for your law firm so that you can keep making money and keep doing great work for your clients. Now, SEO takes a lot of hard work. I did not say that it was going to be easy, but if you're ready to make the jump, I'm very excited to guide you through the process from start to finish, help you make a lot of money for your law firm, and continue making a huge impact on your clients' lives.